That's it. That's how you'd use it, Live. Let me see you. Good show. You like it?
Oh.
Do you like it, Ruby? Is he soft and cuddly?
Oh my goodness. What are there?
Look at my Ruby. Pretty pad.
They're neck pillows for when you're sitting up and you want to sleep, or on the airplane, or in the car.
Look at my one.
Oh, that's
Look
really
at
neat.
mine.
You know what, ladies? Your grandma made those.
I know.
She worked very hard on
He's
those.
so cute.
Good. What are you going to name him?
I'm gonna name mine Flowers.
Flowers?
Yeah. Bluey.
Bluey?
I'm gonna name mine Flowers, Ruby. I'm gonna name mine Bluey. Look at
Bluey.
mine.
Yeah, that's nice.